Hello students, welcome to your commerce class. So students, in this class we will start our new chapter, that is capital, fixed and working. In this chapter we will cover the topics nature of business finance, importance of finance for the business, sources of finance for different types of business forms, financial planning, meaning, feature and its importance, factors affecting capital structure, meaning of fixed capital, factors affecting of fixed capital, meaning of working capital, types, importance and factor affecting of working capital. So students, now first we will understand that what is the meaning of business finance. Business finance refers to the money and credit employed in the business firm. See, whatever the money, whatever the credit, either it is in a cash form or either it is in a borrowed funds, that the money be involved in a business, that is known as a business finance. Okay, so business finance, you can say that it is concerned with the acquisition and utilization of capital funds in meeting the financial needs and overall the objectives of a business enterprise. See, why we need of a business finance, why we need a funds in a business? Because to perform the activities of a business, to achieve the goal and the targets of the business, to achieve the overall objectives of a business enterprise. So you can say that in a financing or in a finance, that is a very simple meaning, that a monetary arrangements for any kind of business enterprise, firms or a organization, that is known as a business financing. And the next, why we need a business finance? To complete the objectives of our organization, to perform the business activities in a business organization. So to perform all activities, to obtain the objectives, to purchase the raw materials, to pay the labor, to purchase the capital assets, to perform each and everything in a business, we need finance. Okay, so next we will understand the nature of business finance. Okay, here are some points is given to us that are related to the nature of business finance. First is, business finance includes all types of capital or funds used in business. Not only capital or the borrowed funds. Finance includes both, that is a capital and debt, both. Okay, next is, business finance is needed in all types of business, either it is a large scale business or a small scale business, manufacturing business or a trading business, or that is a industry, that is a factory, any kind of business. In any kind of business we require a business finance, because without business finance we cannot perform a single activity, we cannot take a single step. Okay, next is, business finance is a wide term. Okay, that is not a narrow term that only monetary things are related to the business finance. That is a very wide term. Not only a availability of a finance, it describes the business finance. Either it is related to the estimation of the amount of funds needed to be a business finance, the arrangement of the funds, the investment of the funds, the sources from where we can arrange the finance for our business, how we can control the funds, what are the profitable funds, what are the sources from which we can arrange the funds when we need, which is the most appropriate source for the business finance, either it is a capital arrangement or either it is a debt arrangements. So all the things are related to the business finance. That is said that business finance is a very wide term. Okay. Next is the amount of business finance required differ from one business firm to another. That is depend on the nature and size of the business. Okay. So it means that we cannot say that amount of fund is needed in a shoe factory that will be equivalent to the cloth industry. No, the need of the finance, that is depends on the organization to organization. It differs from organization to organization, so there is a no similarity. The need of the fund, the amount of the funds in any kind of business, that is depend on its nature and the size. Okay, obviously in a small scale business we required a small capital, limited capital we needed. But if we will talk about the joint stock company, that is a large scale company, large scale business, so obviously we need a large scale funds to operate the activities, to perform the functions. Okay, and the last one is the availability of funds determine the scale of operations of a business. See that the amount of finance, that also tells that what is the scale of operations of a business. If there is a small availability of the funds in the business organization, then it means that the operations, the activities, the functioning of the business is at a small level. And just opposite, if there is a large amount of funds available in the business firm, then it means that it is a large scale business organization. Okay, so now next topic is importance of finance for business. Why we need a finance for any kind of business? Why? So here are some points is given to us again, that the firm can meet its liability in time. With the help of the finance, a firm can fulfill its liabilities timely, and the fulfillment of the liabilities on time, that enhance the goodwill of business organization. It creates a good image in a market. Okay, and this will help in a credit rationing. If there is a good image, there is a goodwill of a business organization in the market, then if there is any need, business organization can arrange a fund. Okay, the next is the firm can take advantage of business opportunities. With the help of the proper availability of a business finance, any time a business can avail the proper opportunities of the business. Firm can carry on its business smoothly and without any interruptions. With the proper funding, with the help of the proper arrangement of the funds, a business can perform its functions smoothly. Because if there will be a shortage in a business finance, then there will be a lot of interruptions to perform the functions of a business. A firm can replace its plant and machinery if the plant and machinery are obsolete. If they required to be changed, then with the help of the finance, a firm can easily replace it, and with the new plant and machinery, a business firm can enhance its efficiency. A firm can face recession or any other uncertainties in the business if it is occurring. The availability of the firm decides and determines the size and scale of the business. As I told you, a firm with adequate funds can purchase the necessary fixed assets and current assets. If there is any need in a business that they want to purchase a fixed assets or a current assets, then with the help of the proper funds, adequate funds, a firm can purchase it. Finance helps to bridge the gap between the production and sales. An enterprise with adequate funds can pay wages and salary in time and spend on the welfare of the employees. See, employees are the most important element of a business organization. Any kind of business organization's success depend on the employees. So that is the organization's responsibility, that they have to work for the welfare of their employees, and with the help of adequate funds, A firm can think about the welfare of the employees by paying the wages and the salary timely, to provide some insurance for their health, to arrange the proper facilities in their working places, and so on. And the last one is sound financial position enables an enterprise to enjoy goodwill or reputation in the business world. If a business organization have a sufficient fund, adequate funds, sound financial position, then he can enjoy a goodwill in a market. He can enjoy a proper reputation, a good reputation in the business world. Okay, so this was the importance of business finance in a business enterprise or a organization. So class, just revise it and read it very carefully. Now we will meet in the next class with some new topics. Thank you so much, students. Have a nice day.